Namaste student, myself J.V. Nanshika Kushaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Basic of Bioscience and today's topic is Introduction to Cell Cycle and Cell Division. So, what is cell? Cells are the basic unit of living things. Cell makes up bone, muscles, skin, and blood. Cell make up leaves, roots, stems, and flowers. As the organism grow, the cell must reproduce. Now, cell are the structural and functional unit of life of all organism. It is multicellular, unicellular. Functions of cells are nutrients to energy. Each cells having its own set of instruction. So there are eukaryotic cell division. Eukaryotes must divide their nucleus in preparation of cell for cell division. Before the nucleus divides, the genetic material replicates. It duplicates by cell division. So what is prokaryotic cell division? Prokaryotes have new nucleus. They have single cellular chromosome. Prokaryotes simply divides their cells in two by binary fission. Some of important definitions are spindle fiber, one of a network of filaments that extend inwards from the poles of a dividing cell, forming a spindle-shaped figure. Then centromere, it is the most condensed and restriction region of chromosome. So what is cell cycle? The cell cycle is the event that makes new cells by division through 6 processes. They are interphase, mitosis, mitosis, prophase, mitosis metaphase, mitosis anaphase, and mitosis telophase, and cytokinesis. So what is interphase? During interphase, cell replicates its nuclear DNA, ensuring that when does it divide at the end of mitotic phase, each of the newly created daughter cells will contain a full set of genes. Then mitosis. Mitosis is the mechanism that allows the nuclei of cell to split and provide each daughter cell with a complete set of chromosomes during cellular division. This coupled with cytokinesis occur in all multicellular plants and animals to permit growth of the organism. Then interphase phases occurred. During this prophase phase, the first mitotic stage, the nucleolus fades and chromatin condenses into chromosomes. Each replicated chromosome comprises two chromatids, both with the same genetic information. The next phase is metaphase. In this, the nucleus envelope breakdown and large protein network called the spindle attaches to each sister chromatid. The chromosomes are now aligned perpendicular to the spindle in a process called metaphase. Then next phase is anaphase, begins as the centromere of each pair of chromatids split, effectively doubling the number of chromosomes. One separated sister chromatid, each now an independent chromosome with its own centromere, begin moving apart towards opposite poles of the cell. The movement is made possible via two mechanism. Then after this, telophase is occur. In the telophase, the daughter chromosome arrive in the spindle pores. After complete separation of the chromosome, the nuclear membrane begins to reform each other group of chromosome at the opposite ends of the cell. When telophase is complete and the new cell membrane is being formed, the final step is in telophase involve the initiation of plasma membrane cleavage between each of new daughter cells to ultimately yield two separate cells during cytokinesis. So this is the cytokinesis phase. In this final stage in the process of cell division is known as cytokinesis, which usually begins during the late phase or early telophase before mitosis ends. As the nuclear envelope is reforming and the chromosome are decondensing, during this stage, the cytoplasm is divided. So this is all about the cell division and cell cycle. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.